Factory resetting erases all personal data, apps, and settings, restoring your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max to its original state. You'll typically do this when troubleshooting issues, preparing your device for sale or trade-in, or wanting a fresh start. Remember to back up your data to iCloud or a computer before proceeding, as this process is irreversible. Also, ensure you know your Apple ID and password, as it's needed to disable Activation Lock, a security feature that prevents unauthorized use after the reset. First, back up your iPhone data by going to Settings, tapping your name, then iCloud, iCloud Backup, and select Backup Now. Next, sign out of iCloud by going to Settings, tapping your name, and selecting Sign Out. Enter your password to delete the account. Then navigate to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, and select Erase all content and settings. Confirm the process by entering your passcode and Apple ID password when prompted. The reset may take a few minutes. If your iPhone is unresponsive, use recovery mode by connecting it to a computer and using Finder or iTunes to erase iPhone.